The BJP may have rejected statements by businessman Anshuman Mishra that he was offered a Rajya Sabha nomination by Nitin Gadkari, but serious differences within the party on how Mr. Gadkari handled the issue are now raising larger questions. What's more, there doesn't seem to be one united BJP voice on the allegations raised by Mishra on a host of issues.
वो तो आप अब गडकरी जी और राजनाथ जी से पूछिए जिन्होंने समर्थन दिया था और ये बात इससे साफ हो गई मैंने तो कोई समर्थन नहीं दिया था.
A political wrong has split the BJP. Joshi's outburst is the first indication of a huge dissent against party president Nitin Gadkari over BJP support to Anshuman Mishra for a Rajya Sabha seat. Right after his nomination, top leaders had revolted and blocked Anshuman Mishra's Rajya Sabha chances. But once angry, Anshuman started carpet bombing every leader, including Advani, Rajnath, Kalraj, all of whom had opposed him.
There is only one seat which BJP has from Uttar Pradesh, and in fact I am the one who denied it even after consultation with the state unit president, Mr. Kalraj Mishra, the head of the BJP in the Sangathan, and then also along with that Mr. Rajnath Singh and Mr. Gadkari. They were all consulted and they offered me this 9 months ago.
Joshi was rattled by Mishra's charge that he facilitated a meeting between Joshi and corporate leaders being probed in the 2G scam.
उन्होंने अडवाणी जी को कहा, जसवंत सिन्हा को कहा, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन को कहा, अब गडकरी जी और राजनाथ जी को कह रहे हैं.
Gadkari is bound to face the heat as there is simmering disquiet over how he ignored the party's consultative mechanism to induct tainted BSP man B.S. Kushwaha and then Mishra. With Mishra firing salvos at almost every top leader, a collective decision on the crisis seems remote as the gloves are off.
इस प्रकार के वाहियात और निराधार आरोपों को मीडिया भी तवज्जो न दे और इसको उसी तिरस्कार के साथ खारिज करे जिस तिरस्कार के योग्य ये आरोप हैं.
Some leaders say a frontal attack against Mishra has pitfalls. There are audible rumors in the party about Mishra's past and present connect to many leaders. Some say attacking him will raise the need for fixing responsibility. Who propped Anshuman and on whose orders the Jharkhand BJP nominated him? But the opponents of the BJP are already raising these questions.
बड़ा गंभीर लगता है, तो निश्चित रूप से इस आरोप को देखना चाहिए, तहकीकात होनी चाहिए, चाहे संसदीय समिति में हो, चाहे संसदीय समिति के बाहर हो.
Now the BJP itself faces a huge embarrassment as controversial statements are being made against some of its top leaders by someone who claims to be close to the party. In New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.